Welcome to Technical Vijay channel. There is a news for NEET UG 2021 exams, that is medical entrance exams, likely to be conducted offline with the dates of the CBSE and JEE exams declared by the Education Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal and the National Testing Agency. Students have been eagerly waiting for an update on the medical entrance exam NEET UG 2021. After the Education Minister had declared that JEE mains should be conducted multiple times, students had been demanding the same for NEET UG also. However, as per the report by Times of India, the NEET UG exam will have no changes this year. Speaking to the Times of India, Amit Khare, Secretary Higher Education, stated that the exam will be conducted in the pen and paper mode only, and it will be conducted between June and July of this year. And here Mr. Khare also stated that although there were demands for multiple sessions in the online mode, biology students might need more time to practice and get used to the computer based exams. Thus he added, before any such decision they will give 6 to 8 months of prior notice. So then he added that the exams dates will be announced soon. In February, Pokhriyal, while speaking to the Times Now, he had announced that Ministry of Education is considering conducting the NEET 2021 more than once, just like JEE Mains 2021. But last year, NEET was conducted on September 13th amid strict precautions in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. Over 14.37 lakhs candidates had appeared to it. So, this is the news today. Speaking to Times of India, Amit Khare, Secretary Higher Education, stated that the exam will be conducted in pen and paper mode only, and it will be in the June and July of this year. So there are 2 points clear, that there will be no online examination and there will be only pen and paper mode as it was conducted in the last year, and the exam may be conducted in the mid of the July also. And this is the news coming from the Times of India. Okay, thank you.